If you are too busy running your business to brainstorm marketing ideas, well, welcome to the club. But if you don't take action, your sales may take a hit. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 easy marketing ideas that you can implement in the month of May with very little time, so you can stay top of mind with your target audience. Hey, this is Antoine and welcome back. But if you are new to me, on this channel, we talk everything marketing and business to help you grow. Look, I get it. You are a small business and you don't have a marketing department or a consultant that you can hand this stuff to. And like you and me, the buck stops here. We got to get it done. And sometimes it feels like the weight of the world is on our shoulders. And switching gear from trying to be creative to work mode, basically doing what pays the bills, is not easy. But if you break it down in bite-sized pieces, it's much easier. And leveraging holidays and events that happen in any month is a great way to stay top of mind with some very basic and easy creative work without spending too much time. Just a couple of hours a month of focus time can go a long way. And usually that's enough to get your marketing and your messaging going in the right direction. So here are my 10 ideas for the month of May. And the first one for the month of May is a National Small Business Week. National Small Business Week is the first week of May every year. Now, it was postponed in 2020 due to COVID-19, but it's back on track starting on May 2nd and runs all the way to May 8th. And this holiday is basically raising awareness for small business in our communities. Now, here is how you could leverage that holiday. Create a simple ad on Canva or Photoshop or whatever platform you use to create your graphics. Offer a deal of the week for anyone coming into your business. Give them a 10-25% discount that expires on May 8th. And if you don't want to give a discount, then you could have a post or a video telling your story. Why did you get started in your business in the first place? Just share your passion. Just share why you're doing what you're doing. And on all your media, use the hashtag #ShopSmall and Small Business Week. And it would also be a great time to tag other small businesses in your community that you're not competing with. The second marketing idea for the month of May is to leverage the Kentucky Derby. It's the first Saturday of May every year, and this year it falls on May 2nd. And it's getting more mainstream attention each and every year. So the Kentucky Derby is worth using in your marketing efforts in the month of May. For example, you can change up your storefront with, Kentucky Derby or horse-themed decoration to get some attention. You can also blog about Derby fashion for men and women. You can host a Derby party with hat contest and mint juleps. You could also host a cooking or a cocktail making contest, or simply run a Derby hat contest on Facebook or Instagram. And the best hashtag to use are Kentucky Derby and horse racing. The third marketing idea for the month of May is Teacher Appreciation Day. It happens on a Tuesday of the first full week in May. And this year, the Teacher Appreciation Day falls on May 4th. It's the perfect time to put the spotlight on your favorite teacher. That could be your kid's teacher or a teacher that had a huge impact on your life. One thing's for sure is the last 12 months has been really tough on teachers, so they deserve a little bit of our love. Here are some ideas for you. Create a social media post highlighting a local teacher from a school nearby. Share a fun fact about that teacher and give them some props. Or create a post or a blog on how your company is donating $100 worth of school supply to a local classroom or to a local teacher that you like. Now, I can assure you that that $100 is going to feel a lot better than spending it on ads, and the ROI might even be better. Or you could start a challenge with other local businesses to make donation to the local PTA that will in turn help the local teachers. Now, I'm going to share something from personal experience. Your local news station might be interested in that story. Make sure to use a hashtag Teacher Appreciation, Teacher Appreciation Week, or Teacher Live for maximum visibility. Now, the fourth idea is Cinco de Mayo. If Cinco de Mayo is not on your radar, it really should be. I can almost hear the mariachi band just thinking about it. It's like Taco Tuesday, but on steroids. It's just plain fun, and it's a great way to have fun with your prospects and clients. Now, here are a couple of marketing ideas for you. First, you could post your favorite margarita recipe either as a video or as a simple image post. Mine is done with apple juice, and it's delicious, but it will get you really drunk if you don't pace yourself because it's so sweet. Find a picture on Canva, add your recipe on top of it, and voila! Or just share a festive discount with a 5% or $5 off for any orders placed that day. Now make sure to play with that 5. You're gonna make it 5% by 5 p.m. for an order up to 5. Just play on the 5 and see if you can have fun with that. And the best hashtag to use for Cinco de Mayo is Cinco de Mayo sale. Now the 5th marketing idea for the month of May is Mother's Day. In the US, Mother's Day is always the 2nd Sunday in May. And this year, it's on May 9th. And Mother's Day is usually prime time for a lot of businesses. Now, if none of your products and services cater to moms, and I get it, right? Not everybody caters to mom. Simply acknowledging them is a really good marketing idea. Because honestly, none of us would be here without a mother. And by the way, which product or service doesn't do something for a home or a family? There's always a way to spin it. But products or service aside, people buy products and services from people they trust, but specifically people they can relate to. A simple, heartfelt message acknowledging moms without asking them to buy anything can go a long way. Now, here are a couple of marketing ideas that you could implement. First, why don't you acknowledge a mom on your team or share the story of a great mom in your community? There's plenty of them around. And the second idea is to run a Mother's Day special. You can give a special discount or do a 2-for-1 special or give a rose to any mom that would actually come into your business that day. Now, the best hashtags to use on your collateral will be Mother's Day gift, and Happy Mother's Day. Now, the 6th marketing idea you can implement in May is National Women's Health Week. It begins on Mother's Day every year, and this year it starts on May 9th to May 15th. And get this, according to a Virginia Tech report, women represent 85% of all buying decisions. And as a business owner, it makes sense to give them the respect that they deserve. So Women's Health Week is a great time to show your appreciation. Think of it as a fun way to engage women with your business or on Instagram. You could share your favorite healthy recipe. You could also share a best way to relax and rejuvenate. Or you could share success stories of women that have conquered health challenges. So the best hashtag to use are Women's Health, Women's Health Fitness Day, Healthy Lifestyle, and Women Empowerment. Now the 7th marketing idea for the month of May is National Bike to Work Day. It's the 3rd Friday in May every year. Now it may be a surprise to most, but National Bike to Work Day is a huge deal in many cities across America. And many metro areas have a website for people to register so they can participate. And this year it falls on May 21st. Now look for information regarding your local Bike to Work Day activities and take advantage of those activities by posting useful information to your followers and prospects out there. Getting involved with your community with any green related efforts is a brilliant idea, especially if your client base is between the age of 20 to 45, because this matters a lot to them and you may find new customers by participating in that effort. Now the best hashtag for those marketing ideas is Bike to Work and bicycle. Now the 8th marketing idea for the month of May is, of course, Memorial Day. It's the last Monday of May every year. And this year, Memorial Day is on May 31st. Whether you think of Memorial Day as a barbecue or a day to honor, it's a great marketing opportunity. Because let's face it, without those that gave the ultimate sacrifice, we may not be able to run the business the way we do and enjoying the freedoms we often take for granted. Now, here are some ways that you could show your patriotism and the love for the good old USA. You could promote anything red, white, and blue themed on social media, like a recipe for a cake or cupcakes, for example. Or you could host a barbecue or a picnic for your community and give out branded water bottles or any kind of swags like sunglasses. Or participate and sponsor a local event and get a little bit of brand recognition. The best hashtag for Memorial Day are Memorial Day and Memorial Day weekend. Now the 9th marketing idea for the month of May is weddings. May kicks off the wedding season in the US, and it's a perfect time for you to promote and market your business. And as my wife would say, who doesn't like springtime romance? So here are some wedding-based marketing ideas that you could implement. Consider a Love is in the Air theme. There is always a way that you could spin that for your business. And if May kicks off the wedding season, it is also the wedding anniversary season. So do your customers need to spruce up their garden for a party or for some pictures? Where and how are they going to go and celebrate? What is on their couple's goals list? There are plenty of ways for you to get creative with that, so have fun with it. The best hashtag for wedding wedding is wedding day and weddings. And for anniversary, it's anniversary gift, wedding anniversary, and happy anniversary. And the final and 10th marketing idea for the month of May is spring cleaning. Yep, the days are warming up and it might be time to do a little bit of spring cleaning. And as a business, it's a great idea to give your customers a little bit of practical tips. Contractors and vendors should leverage that to encourage people to do a little bit of spring cleaning and getting the house ready for the summer. Is your AC ready for the hot days? Is your garden in ship shape for the kids to run around? Is the pool in working order? And how about finally getting the garage organized the way you've always wanted to have it? Now, spring cleaning may also be a great idea for you. Maybe it's an opportunity to refresh and clean up your website design, re-optimize your Facebook page, and update all the pictures that are posted in your Google My Business. Now, the best hashtag for this marketing idea is spring cleaning, house cleaning, and deep cleaning. All right, so that does it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure to subscribe before you go. Also, give me a thumbs up if you got value. I would watch this video next. And until next time, ciao.